Alright, I got a bike check on a cold butter. So, alright, got a Colt butter frame. I got Colt forks, Demolition headset, Demolition stem, Colt bars, death row. I have ODI grips, ODI bar ends. I have a United Becan seat, stolen seat post. I have Demolition trooper pedals. I have Shadow Conspiracy chain, stolen sprocket, stolen bottom bracket. I have Demolition zero rims, Primo spokes, Demolition back hub, Demolition front hub, same setup for both rims. I have 2 Machete tires, and I have profile cranks. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, Colt butter. Colt's the way to go in Demolition. Alright, comment, like, subscribe. Butter.